Hey guys, what's going on? It's Cryptocine here. So today we're going to take a look at Hashflare and if cloud mining is still worth it. So if we take a look at the chart of Bitcoin right now, so the last 2 days were a bit harsh for every cryptocurrency enthusiast, since the market cap went down like almost 250 billion in a matter of a few days, and Bitcoin is currently having a huge pullback from 20k to a low today of around 12,000. So it's going down, but I think in the short term Bitcoin is looking a bit bearish. But then again, if we take a look at the monthly chart, it went up all the way, like it had a huge bull run, and it was obvious that there had to be a pullback at least to around the 10,000 mark. But in the mid to long term, we can definitely see a new all-time high coming with around 25 to 30,000. So if we take a look at Hashflare, so the cloud mining thing is still very popular and it's still very profitable. So if you're new to cryptocurrencies and you're just looking at CoinMarketCap and you think, oh my gosh, I just lost a whole bunch of money, then, well, cloud mining is something for you. Or for people that, for example, wants to like put their money into, for example, IOTA and want to have it locked up for a few months, but are just not able to like not look at the market cap every day. Cloud mining is actually a pretty good way to just have control over your money, since you have to buy a contract and then you cannot just take that money out 2 days after you bought the contract, but instead you can only do it like incremental. So if we take a look at Hashflare, we're gonna take a look at Bitcoin mining, so SHA-256, because this is the most profitable overall. So if you want to buy, you can just go to the buy hash rate, and then you can select how many gigahashes you want to purchase. So let's say we want to purchase 1 terahash. That would valuate now around $220 US. So let's just say we're going to buy 10 terahashes worth of $2,200 US, and every contract lasts for 1 year. So we obviously want to calculate how much profit I'm going to make. So we will go to what's2mine.com. This is the site I'm always using to calculate my mining profits. So 10 terahashes are 10,000 gigahashes. We purchased it around $2,200 US, so a hardware cost of $2,200 US. Then we pay nothing for our electricity, and we have no power. Pool fee of Hashflare is around 17%. So now the Bitcoin value, my Chrome add-on says around 12,000. So we calculate. So in around 150 days, 151 days, we will break even. So what that means is, if the Bitcoin mining difficulty, so the difficulty estimates how hard it is to mine a block, if the difficulty stays the same and the Bitcoin price stays the same, we will get $2,200, so our initially invested money, back after 150 days. So if we scroll down here, we can see how much we make per hour, per day, per week, per month, and per year. So with an investment of $2,200, we will make $100 every week, which is a very nice thing. And in the long term, we are looking at the Bitcoin value of around 20 to 30,000. So if we say Bitcoin would be worth 20,000, we would only need 90 days, and you would make more and more profit after those 90 days. But the problem on the other hand is that the Bitcoin mining difficulty is going up and up, so it's harder to get to mine blocks, and therefore you will get less and less Bitcoin per day. But overall, we can say that the mining difficulty and the Bitcoin price increase are like staying at the same level, so you're most likely going to get what it says if you put in the value of Bitcoin right right now and the difficulty right now, it will most likely take you around 151 days, and then you can enjoy 200 days of pure profit. And as I said, if Bitcoin goes up, it will be more and more. So if you take a look at the Hashflare site, this is they have a very nice overlay where you can see how much Bitcoin you get per terahash every day, and you have a revenue forecast, so how much Bitcoin you will be mining per day, per week, per month, per half a year, and how many Bitcoins you will make in 1 year, because every contract lasts 1 year. So I myself bought 2 contracts. I'm not actually too sure why, but they are worth $500, and then 1 week later I made $54 profit and I bought another contract. So now I have $554 worth contract, and I've been in Hashflare around a month now, and I've made around $140, so around 0.01 Bitcoin. So in around 2 to 3 months I will break even with my initially invested money, and then I can enjoy profits every single day, which is a very nice thing, and then it will just withdraw my Bitcoin to another exchange so I can trade and make even more profits. So if you want to join Hashflare, link will be down in the description, where you can get 10% a 10% discount on your first purchase. So this is a very nice thing, and well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like and a subscribe if you did, and also if you have any comments, feel free to leave it in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.